And suddenly, a bright light about 10 miles out just showed up. And we hadn't seen anything in 5 days. And all of a sudden, there's this big bright light. And nothing on the instruments. And this damn thing was headed right for me. You know, when we're out on passage, we were all alone out here. And when threatened, I mean, perceived threats or real, all we have to rely on is ourselves.